got a fast car. I wanna take it anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money, and we won't have to drive too far. Just across the border and into the city. You and I will both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living.
And he grabs your hand, look at him. Look at Mike. Look at him. That's good. That's a good look.
Yeah, that's a good look right there. Like, oh my, what is that shit?